In today's video, we're showing you how to keep your kitchen pest-free using natural methods. No harsh chemicals involved. Let's dive into simple, eco-friendly ways. First up, cleanliness. Wipe down counters daily, sweep up crumbs, and don't leave dirty dishes overnight. Stay on top of these simple habits. Next, seal cracks and gaps around windows, doors, and plumbing. Use silicone caulk or steel wool to block pests from sneaking in. Try natural repellents, like bay leaves in the pantry for cockroaches. For ants, sprinkle cinnamon along their trails. Pests love moisture, so dry out your sink, fix any leaks, and wipe up water spills quickly. Store food in airtight containers to prevent pests from getting access to your pantry, and refrigerate fruits and snacks. Bonus tip, use food-grade diatomaceous earth around your kitchen. It kills insects without chemicals. That's it. Natural ways to pest-proof your kitchen without harmful chemicals. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.